Today I will show how a hacker takes down a website through a DDoS attack and how to avoid this DDoS attack. But I will show all this using the Linux operating system and terminal base. If you have no ideas about this, then no problem. You can watch it just to increase your knowledge. In the future there will be content about Linux on my channel, and if you want to test the security of your website, you can contact us. HexaGuard is a company that provides security testing services internationally. This video is for educational purposes only. Its main purpose is to teach about DDoS attacks. Always make sure you have the proper authorization before performing any penetration testing. Unauthorized hacking is illegal and punishable. Your knowledge should be used responsibly for protection, not for harm. First, I open a website. This site is mainly used for various testing purposes. I first look at the name of the site carefully. Then I go to my Kalilinux operating system running on my VMware. I open my Linux terminal and I will find the IP of that site. I will type this command in my terminal and then type the name of that website. Then you will see that the IP of this site has been found for me. Then I will now clear the terminal. If you do ls, then you will see that there is a file called DDoSlayer. I have installed this tool from GitHub. Its link will be given in the description box. I go to that file and by doing ls, I can see that there is a tool called DDoSlayer.py. This tool is mainly made in Python language. Now to run this tool, I will type python3 DDoSlayer.py. Then this tool will run. Here it will ask for an IP address. I will give that IP address. Then it will ask for a port. I will give 8080 here. Then it asks me how many seconds it will last. I am given 4 seconds because I am doing this only for educational purposes. Now it asks me what kind of attack I want to do here. I have given one UDP here. Finally, we can see that the DDoS attack is being completed. Now we will go to the website and see if any damage has been done. We can see that nothing has been done to it. But if I had done this for a longer time, then the site would have gone down. Even then, if you want to know something about this, you can get it from Google. Now let's discuss how to protect any website from this attack. If you want to protect your website from all this attack, then you can use a good quality firewall for the website. And finally, thank you all for watching this video.